All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 14,000 miles. Beautiful white with gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. It's got backup camera, power windows, power door locks. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice LNC curbing. Your tire tread is at 10/32. This door looks good. This quarter, I don't see any real big dents. I do see the dent right there, as you can see it. 3, 6, about 12 inches. All right, got a heavy scratch here, about 3 to 4 inches. Got another heavy scratch here, a little one here, a couple of ones here. All right, that pretty much is it. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel, and your tire tread back here is over 7/32. Keeping it moving, because you got power windows, power door locks, your front driver's seat. The holes, the tears, the rips, looks good. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Got power windows, power door locks. It's got power mirrors, one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details on that. You got your AM/FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Pow. Got your instrument cluster and what that looks like. I don't see any lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 14,473. AC, ice cold. Need it because it's hot as hell here in New Jersey. All right. Keeping it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. This door looks pretty good. This other door looks pretty good. Putting this up. Putting this up. Alright. That's what your rear cargo area looks like. So one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Does have like a little dent there. Some paint off. Here we look good. Here's another door. On what that one looks like. Does have a dent here likewise like the other side. On that. We look pretty good. This corner here does have some scuffing there, well, as you can see. Let's check out our situation up here. Boom, and the roof looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. You look good. All right, quarter looks good. We do have a little bit of a dent up there in the edge, top edge. Hard to see, but it is there. Rear passenger steel wheel. The tire tread here is over 7/32. This door does have some damage here on the sliding door. As you can see, a dent there, another one there, and a couple like heavy scratches, some dents from the inside. Those two there, 3 are from the inside out. There's another 4th one over there. All right. Just trying to show it best as possible. I know it's hard to see. You can kind of see what I'm talking about. All right, this is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Front passenger door looks good. Got a little dinghy right here. Other than that, we look good. Here's the other side of the front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front fender looks good. Got a couple of small scratches, 1, 2. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Your tire tread over 7/32. Lights are on. Car is working, folks. Once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit, the T-150 mid-roof long wheelbase with 14,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.